Hi, my name is Philip Poston, and today we're going to show you how to install the NSP live roller conveyor. First, look at the match mark stickers on the ends of each section of conveyor. These stickers will let you know the sequence of sections to be installed. Mark a chalk line on the floor to locate the center of the conveyor and place the drive section in position. Install the remaining sections according to the match mark stickers. Check to make sure the conveyor is straight and level across width and length, and make sure that all sections are square. Now, hand tighten all splice plates, support mounting bolts, and lag the conveyor to the floor. Next, check to make sure that all drive shafts are properly aligned at section joints and install the coupling chain. If the shaft is properly aligned after the coupling chain is installed, there will be some movement in the chain. If the coupling chain is tight with no movement, adjust the alignment by loosening the bearing bolts that support the shaft, sliding one coupling sprocket back to the bearing, and sliding the other sprocket so that it bridges from shaft to shaft. It should slide freely from one shaft to the other. Now, put your coupling sprockets into place and tighten the set screws. Install the shaft guards and electrical controls and wire the motor. For instructions on wiring the motor, refer to the NSP Installation and Maintenance Manual.